What's up, y'all? My name is Christian Hetzel. I am the recording drummer for the band Leona, and I am the touring, live and recording drummer for the band Thornbush. This is the story of my drumsticks. So I use Collision 5B. These sticks are awesome. As somebody who's been playing drums for more than 20 years now, which seems like, aren't you like in your 20s? Yeah, I am. I've been playing a long time. So I've gone through a lot of sticks and different brands over the years. And something I've noticed is, although some of them might be okay, they tend to break all the time. With Collision, I have yet to break a drumstick. I hit my drums pretty hard, and these guys will not break. I don't know anybody that I know that uses them that has had them break. They're very durable. But something else that I love about them is I love the shape of the tips. They are not as chunky as a lot of other drumsticks are with the way that their tips are. So they offer a really nice response. They're very articulate in the response and in the way that they rebound off of the drum heads. Now, I use these when I'm recording on my electric kit, but I also use my acoustic kits when I play live, and they translate really well between the two kits. The 5Bs are the perfect size for me. They fit in my hands really, really well, and I have very good control over the sticks during different techniques. I can move them around without feeling like they're gonna slide through my hands, but they're also not so beefy that when I'm playing, I feel like I'm holding onto a baseball bat. These sticks are just awesome, and I would highly recommend them. Now, coming up in just a second, you will see me doing a drum playthrough of Leona's song called Desolation. Now, this song will either have just been released at the time of this video coming out, or it will be getting released on February 20th of 2026. This song is one of my favorite songs that I have ever recorded on drums. It is a lot of fun, it is fast, it is a little bit technical, and I think it is the perfect song to showcase these sticks. I hope you all have a really good day. I hope you enjoy it. Go and buy yourself a pair of Collision.